So my salmon is baking, but I wanted to sneak in a little cooking tip for you. So I'm making slivered scallions to garnish my salmon. And to do that, all you need to do is just take some scallion pieces like this. The thicker ones, the better. And then you just take a really sharp knife and you just slice. Be careful of your fingers. You want your fingers out of the way, and you just slice them really thin like this, or what we call julienne pieces. And they automatically curl up. Can you see? So let me do one more for you. Let's do a thicker piece. So you just hold it down and you just slice really tiny, incy-wincy, tiny pieces. Really skinny. And you can even open them up like that and cut them really small. I'm doing a second batch, so grab some of our crispy, crunchy, fresh scallions and just